Hello, welcome to IMA. 22nd March, World Water Day. How to stay hydrated. As the summer starts, staying hydrated is more important. Water is essential for our body to function properly. Water makes up about 60% of our body, and every cell, tissue, and organ need it to function properly. Here's why drinking enough water is essential. Boosts physical performance. Prevents dehydration, which can cause fatigue and muscle cramps. Enhances brain function. Prevents headaches caused by dehydration. Digestion and metabolism. Helps break down food and absorb nutrients. Detoxifies the body. Flushes out toxins through sweat, urine, and tears. Supports kidney and liver function. Promotes healthy skin. Reduces dryness, wrinkles, and acne. Keeps skin glowing and fresh. Regulates body temperature. Prevents overheating and heat-related illnesses. Boosts metabolism and fat burning. How much water should you drink? 8 to 10 glasses per day. About 2 to 3 liters is ideal. Drink more if you exercise, live in a hot climate, or sweat a lot. Fruits and veggies like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges also help with hydration. Tip: keep a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. Thank you for watching me.